Mishimelon.
Hello! Today, I will share facts about the human body with you. Are you excited? Let's go! I learned that a person's heart beats about 100,000 times in one day.
Wow.
Can you imagine how much it works? Fingernails grow much faster than toenails. About 60% of the human body is made up of water. The human nose can smell 1 trillion different types of scents. All people have a unique fingerprint pattern. Fingerprints differ even for identical twins. At birth, the human skeleton is made up of around 300 bones. By adulthood, some bones have fused together to end up with 206 bones. That was great, wasn't it? See you, bunnies. Hello, everyone. Today, I'm in the doctor's office, and he will tell us about digestion. Good day, doctor.
Hi, Emmy.
Doctor, what happens to the food after we have eaten it?
Okay, let's see together. When we eat, our teeth help to grind the food. Saliva also appears in our mouth to moisten it. After swallowing, food enters the esophagus. It is a long tube, but food travels through it very quickly and goes into the stomach. Our stomach is very small when we are hungry, but it can stretch and hold up to 3 kilograms of food. To digest food, the stomach will secrete a special acid. It is so strong that it can even digest iron. But please, make sure to eat only food items. The acid is also important because it can destroy germs that have entered the stomach with the food. After the stomach, the food pieces continue their journey through the intestines. The intestines collect all the nutrients from it. Then, our food turns into a single mass. Oh, it's time to get rid of this. That's when we go to the toilet.
How interesting! Thank you, Doctor. See you guys in the next reports. Goodbye!
This portrait I drew is almost ready. Help me to add the color. Let's color the picture according to the colors. Hooray! You did a great job. Can we color this picture? Let's color the picture according to the colors. You did it easily. Great job. Time for some glamour. Let's color 10 nails. Color all the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yoo-hoo! It looks very pretty.
Wow, kitties!
This silhouette reminds me of something. Let's find out. Match all numbers in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job! It's a palm. Match all numbers in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a human body. This is the human body. Let's see if you remember all the body parts. Show me the legs. Great! Now tap the arms. Splendid! How about the chest? Wonderful! And finally, where is the head? Yoo-hoo! You did it, my friend! I can't believe you're doing so well!
Amazing!
Aw, look at this smiley face! Let's see if you know all the parts of the face. Show me the eyes. Great! Now, show me the nose. Good job. How about the mouth? Yeehaw! Ooh, and can you find the ears? Very well. Yes, you can. It was so much fun. You know everything. What does that form remind you of? Connect all the stars to see what it is. It's a head. Great job. Connect all the stars to see what it is. It's lips. Awesome. A patient has come to the doctor and says his arm hurts. Let's help the doctor. The doctor is thankful for the help. Well done. Let's put all the letters together and see what happens. Connect all the letters in the correct order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Excellent! This is the stomach. Connect all the letters in the correct order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. And these are the lungs. Let's play flashcards and see how you learned the topic. find all the pears. Great job! All pears have been found. This picture is similar to the illustration from a book on medicine. Let's try to color it. Color the illustration using numbers as a clue. Now the illustration is colored. You did it! Let's do a workout. This is a head. Turn your head to the side. These are hands. Raise your hands up. These are feet. Let's jump high. This is a chest. Let's lean left and right. These are palms. Let's clap, clap, clap. Bimmy loves doing a workout. This picture looks broken. Let's fix it. Let's tap on all the pieces and turn them around to get a whole picture. Look! This is a mannequin showing the internal organs. We did it!